Good day everyone, especially to Sir Erhenes, our instructor in ME211 Thermodynamics 1. Ako ay si Ninyo Joshua Bimission from Barangay Manga, Tabalan City, 19 years old, and I usually called by my friends and family Ninyo or Joshua. So, I've graduated senior high school at Mangka National High School, which I took STEM strand. So, my initial expectation from my program is lisod siya, need siya og kanang knowledge nga, and you need to study jud kay ag ME based from my itong nakailan ako kay lisod siya kay iyang mga courses kay kanang complex samot na iyang mga majors. So, and my course expectations here in ME211 kay lisod lisod na gyapon. Lisod siya compared to the first years because mura siya gi-combined as what I've searched sa online, mura siya gi-combined chemistry and physics. So, need jud memorize og dahang units, formulas, or processes. So, to pass this subject, kailangan jud i-pass sa subject para kay prerequisite man gud siya sa laing subject. So, to pass this subject, I will do my very, very, very best to such as exerting more extra effort in my study and dili mag-cram or procrastinate. So, that's all. Thank you.